Hello everyone, welcome to Career Humsafar. In this video, I will discuss BPSC 64th Prelims previous year questions. This video is for English medium students and in this video 20 questions of science will be discussed. So let's start the video and I am happy to take this initiative for English medium students on their huge demand. Hope they will appreciate this initiative and they will comment for further improvement. So let's start the video and the question number first is which of the following has pH value 7? As we know, pH value 7 of pure water as well as neutral solution means answer is A and B both, means more than one. And if you get answer more than one, then you will have to take option E in BPSC exam. Okay, and as you also know, basic solution has pH more than 7 while acidic solution has less than 7. Next question is which of the following elements does not contain neutrons? Means does not contain neutrons means what? Number of neutron 0, number of neutron 0, and there is only one element, that is hydrogen. Hydrogen has no neutron, means option number C is the right answer. Okay, angstrom is a unit of wavelength. Angstrom is a unit of wavelength, while the unit of energy is joule and frequency is hertz and velocity is meter per second. Okay, and you should remember 1 angstrom is equal to 10 is to the power minus 10 meter. 10 is to the power minus 10 meter. Next question is frequency is measured in hertz. Frequency is measured in hertz. The next question is who discovered DNA? Who discovered DNA? DNA was discovered by Frederick Misser. Frederick Misser. So none of the above is the right answer, means option number E is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 6 is what is triglyceride? Triglyceride is a fat. Triglyceride is a fat, means option number C is the right answer. Next question is electroencephalogram, means EEG is used in monitoring. EEG is used in monitoring of what? Brain. While if the question is asked that ECG is used in monitoring, so then ECG, so what? You will answer heart. While EEG, then you will answer brain. Okay. The next question is body temperature is regulated by. Body temperature is regulated by hypothalamus gland. Hypothalamus gland. So answer is B. The next question is choose the correct statement. Choose the correct statement. The question is wavelength of red light is less than violet. You have a study Viv Geor and you know the red light has maximum wavelength out of these 7 and violet has minimum. So according to this you will have to answer. Here is wavelength of red is less than violet. No, wavelength of red is more than violet. This one is right. But you need not to stop here. You will have to throw out all these options because there is more than there is a possibility of more than one out of these options. Okay, so option number second is right. Wavelength of violet is more than green. No. Wavelength of violet is more than yellow. No, because we know violet has the least wavelength out of these 7. Okay, so answer B is the right answer. Question number 10. the value of 40 degrees Celsius, the value of 40 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit. As we know that the relation between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit, what you know, C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Now put the value of Celsius here. C is equal to 40. 40 by 5, you will get what? 8 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. 8 9 ja 72. 72, and here is minus, then it will be plus here, and 72 plus 32, what you will get? 104. 104 is the right answer. Okay. The next question is, the unit of electric power is, the unit of electric power is what? While unit of electric current is ampere, and the unit of electric charge is coulomb, and the unit of potential difference is volt. Okay. The next question is, in electrical motor, you have studied in class 10th 12th, you have studied electric motor, how it works. When we use electricity, and it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, means now you can study these options, and then you will get answer. Okay, it convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, means option number C is the right answer. Okay. Human body contains how much water? As we know, human body contains 65 to 80% water, means about, then you can get answer, what? About 70% of water. Okay. The next question is, the device to measure electric current is, the device to measure electric current is what? Ammeter. While potential difference is measured by which device? Voltmeter. Okay. So electric current, then ammeter, and potential difference, voltmeter. Next question is, the main component of greenhouse gases. Main component of greenhouse gases. As you know, greenhouse gases increase the temperature of our atmosphere, and it contains carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, means here more than one option, more than, also nitrous oxide, also sulfur dioxide is also taken as a greenhouse gas, means more than one is the right answer. Next question is question number 16. Einstein got the Nobel Prize for, means Einstein got the Nobel Prize in 1921, and he got Nobel Prize for, why? Why he why he got a Nobel Prize? For photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. The next question is, the powerhouse of cell. You remember previously what? The powerhouse of cell is mitochondria. Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. While protein factory, ribosome. Okay. The next question is, AIDS is caused by. AIDS is caused by, as you know, AIDS is caused by HIV virus. HIV virus, means this disease is uh, this disease is caused by what? Virus. Okay. The next question is, which instrument is used to measure humidity? Humidity, then you will answer what? Hygrometer. While relative density, if the question if it is asked in the question that from which instrument is used to measure relative density, then you will take answer hydrometer. While humidity is measured by using hygrometer. Okay. Pyro means what? Pyro means fire. Then fire related questions, then you will answer it. And lactometer, it is used to measure the purity of milk. The next question is, what is the unit of pressure? as we know that the formula of pressure is what? Force per unit area, means pressure is equal to force by area. The SI unit of force is Newton, and the SI unit of area is meter square. Means your answer is Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square means option number A is the right answer. So we have discussed 20 questions frequently, and hope you will find it useful. Then I stop this video, and your comments and suggestions will be always be appreciated. And this was my first video for English medium students. That's why means my language is not so fluent, but I will try my best to make it fluent from your suggestions. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.